Hi everyone, welcome back to Katya Beauty Style channel. I'm smiling, I'm happy because I have something very exciting and new for you. Yes, 2024 July, this is the month where we have so many brand new beauty releases. I will show and I will try all these different brands, brand new products I have for you. If you like to discover the newest brand new releases, this is video for you. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, love you more than ice cream, and let's start. First thing today I'm gonna show you this brand new Bobbi Brown foundation. I am very excited. Long wearing, medium coverage, 15 SPF, paraben free, phthalates free, sulfate free, dry and alcohol free, mineral oil free. I am insane how I can't wait to try and see this foundation on my skin. I here choose color Ivory C026. I'm not sure if this color correct for me or not, but plus minus I think will work this color on my skin. I have Beauty K foundation brush, and let me show you how beautiful this foundation. Nice coverage, true medium coverage. This foundation, it definitely looks very natural. It's not heavy. They say it's a matte finish. I don't think it's a matte finish. This foundation looks natural and give me this natural glow. What do you think? Look at this coverage. Look at how beautiful this foundation on my skin. I really like. Okay, and now I'm very excited because I'm gonna show you brand new blush from YSL. Let's put a little bit color on my cheek. Yes, I don't even own this blush. This is its brand new blush from YSL. Make Me. It's a liquid blush. I do have a sample. I have 3 colors here. I already checked some websites selling this blush. It's not yet available at Mercier, just little these samples. And look at this beautiful color. I'll say lavender, fuchsia, and another one nude. You know what? I think I wanna, this liquid blush, I guess it's a long wearing blush. I'm gonna try 2 colors. I'm gonna mix probably fuchsia and nude together. Oh, I love this. I opened these 3 colors. I hope you can see this. So beautiful and it's so different. It's hard to find this fuchsia blush or like this. It's very like, I will say, pale lavender. Okay, I cannot wait to try. I'm gonna use same brush which one I just used for my foundation, and this is it's 109 by BK Beauty brush. I love this brush. Okay, I'm gonna apply first light color, and it's a nude color. Let's see how this color gonna look on my cheek. Ooh, it has this it says nude. I expect for nude looks more, I will say, brown undertone, but on my cheeks it looks very, very pinky. Wow, soft pinky, very pretty color. Oh my god, I love it. This is its first color, number 44, Nude Lover. Yes, sorry if I pronounce wrong, but it's so pretty, and it's a very beautiful soft nude pink color. And now let's try this fuchsia color. Oh my god, I cannot wait to try this. Oh, These blushes, they, oh my god, I have a big pigment. Oh, I'm glad I tried on my hand first because it's really pigmented blush. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh, this blush is gonna go viral, I'm telling you right now. So pretty, I love it. I like how I mix these blushes, and you know what, let's put this bright fuchsia color a little bit softly on my lips to balance this. Nice, what do you think? I need your help. Let me know if you like this blush or not. If you like yours pink blush, bubbly blush, this is definitely will be your favorite blush. But let's set my makeup with brand new loose powder from Laura Mercier. Ta-da! Yes, it's not your original transparent powder. It's your brand new, and you can see they are different. This is your original, it's your brand new beautiful rose pink top. I like it. It's translucent loose powder, setting powder, ultra blur tone up, and what it's different, it's color. I think you can see this one it's more neutral, and this one it's more pink. It's brand new. I not yet tried, but I play in my store at Nordstrom, and I feel this blush a little bit more pinky color. Again, I think you can see a big difference. Oh, let's try this. I have a big Chanel powder brush. Let's apply and let's try. I like it's no any perfumes here. Very light, it's not heavy. I need my big Simply Human mirror. I wanna see how this powder sits on my skin. Oh, yes, have a nice beautiful blurry effect. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Oh wow, another powder gonna go viral, I guarantee, because it don't look like I even have powder on my skin. It looks like invisible, but it is minimize my pores, not 100%, but it looks good. I really like this powder, and let's put slightly little bit under my eyes, very little. I am so happy with foundation, with blush, with powder. Oh my god, no complaints today. It's not me. Okay, let's add little bit bronze, and I already tried this so many times. It's a brand new bronze from Lancome. Why I like? Because have this beautiful blurry effect. I like packaging. I used to work for Lancome for years, and I wait for so long when they bring something new, and finally they bring to us lipstick, bronze, lip liner. Check it out, my new video with all Lancome lip liners. Okay, this is its color 02. I'm gonna apply very close to my hairline. Again, I like to look natural, because if I'm gonna go with very heavy look, with very also strobing, highlighting, like structural brows, deep dark lips, it will age me this look. This is why I like look makeup no makeup, and if you like makeup no makeup look, this is a channel for you. Love you more than ice cream. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Love you more than ice cream. For my eyes, I will be trying brand new Laura Mercier Caviar Stick. They are brand new colors. I have only 4 colors for you here, but it's way more colors in my store. Please check it out. Nordstrom Tampa. This is where I work. Oh, of course, I will put all these items in my link below. Shop, love you more than ice cream. And of course, I'm gonna create right now very easy, simple look for you. But look at this beautiful colors. It's a beautiful, I will say, neutral rosy gold color. Its name Modern Rose. It's your Modern Rose. Sorry, my hand little bit looks red. I hurt myself at work couple months ago and my hand's still in pain. Okay, second color I have for you here, it's metallic taupe, beautiful, beautiful gold color. Then I have for you right here Celestia Noir. It's a beautiful gray blue undertone. I love this color, but I'm very excited about this color. Oh my god, I hope you can see this, because it's a beautiful navy color with sparkles. Oh my god. Colored Night. It's a beautiful sparkly colors. It's so pretty. Okay, let's try this eyeshadow. I'm gonna create very soft, very neutral, easy look. First color, it's Moon Rose, and I apply it on my entire low lid, slightly pushing little bit color up. Now I do need a big blending brush, and I'm gonna slightly little bit push this color up. First color, it looks so pretty, and if you don't want to do anything else, just put brand new mascara, which one I'm gonna show you in just few seconds. But in the meantime, let's continue. Let's at least try 3 colors. I have this light color, and it's metallic taupe. I'm not gonna apply on my eyelid right away. I actually gonna apply on my hand. I want a little bit this product to warm. Then I'm gonna put on my finger, and I'm gonna apply right here on the center. It will give me this nice, beautiful pop, will give me this little bit contrast. My eyes will look a little bit more open. If you want a little bit more, you can add this color more, but I still prefer like makeup, no makeup look. Time to show you something very important. If you not yet know who I am, I'm Nordstrom beauty stylist. 20 years I teaching people, I teaching my girls, boys how to look beautiful and fabulous every day. To me personally, almost every single cream eyeshadow after 1-2 hours it's creasing. Usually what it's good to do to prevent from creasing, bleeding and running your eyeshadow is just to set your cream eyeshadow with transparent powder. I have a big blending brush, and I'm gonna use same blurring powder which one we just used from Laura Mercier. Very, very little, applying on my eyelid. It's invisible, it's not you really see powder. No, it's nothing there. I just set my eyeshadow. Now I knew eyeshadow gonna stay all day long. Now I'm gonna use Color Night very close to my low lashes right here on the corner. And now I have a small tiny angle brush, and I pushing color right here. Ooh, it's a very pretty winky line. With small tiny brush, I'm gonna add color really close to my lashes right here, but I want very skinny and tiny line. Let's do another eye. I have paper towel. I'm gonna little bit shave this eyeshadow stick. I want to make this eyeshadow stick a little bit more pointy. And now I'm gonna apply right here in the corner, close to my lashes, and then I will go all over with my small tiny brush. I love my eyes, but we're not yet finished. I have brand new eyeliner from Mercier, and it's come in so many different colors. I choose this one. It's number 9. It's unmute white, and look at this. I love this small angle brush. I like its waterproof eyeliner. I'm gonna apply very close to my brows, kind of halfway. Product goes so beautiful and smooth. I'm just gonna slightly little bit smudge and make more softer this eyeliner. Let's finish this eye look with brand new mascara from Mercier, $29, Caviar Extravagant Mascara. This is it's your lint and volume mascara. Oh my god, I feel I have so many products from Mercier in this video. Yes, this month in July she released so many brand new products, and so far I like all of them. Oops, I'm not sure if I like this mascara. It's a good separating mascara, but I need to work a lot to build volume. I'm not crazy, girls. I'm not crazy about this mascara. Today, my friends, I'm so happy because I really like this natural soft look. You know, sometimes you create something, it's like, it's okay. But today, I like this like soft makeup, no makeup look. And of course, I love my beautiful roses. Okay, let's finish this look with some so beautiful lip color. And yes, I'm gonna use Mercier lip liner and brand new lipstick from Mercier. First, I'm gonna use Rosewood lip liner. And for my lipstick, I use color 610. This is it's a new Mercier lip formula. It feels really good. It feels really creamy. You know what? When I apply Bobbi Brown foundation, it gives me this nice, beautiful glow look. But after I apply all this product, it looks natural matte. But I am happy. To finish this fabulous look, I'm gonna use brand new NARS Light Perfecting Makeup Setting Mist. It's gonna make your whole entire look stay all day long. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Hit this notification bell. You don't wanna miss any new videos which one I am creating just for you. Love you more than ice cream, and I will see you in my next video.